Your code runs, but it's wrong. And you can't see why. What's actually in that variable? Stop guessing the value. Just print it and look. Too simple to work? Pros use it every single day. Think of a torch in a dark room. You can't fix what you can't see. So you shine a light, you see what's really there, and the problem shows up. Console.log is that torch. You print a value, and the console shows it. Picture the variable hidden. You shine the light, you see the real value, and you spot the bug. One line does it all. Type console.log, pass it the value, and run the output. The variable is the mystery. The printed value is the truth. No fancy tools needed. Works in any language. Print, look, fix. So why is this the go-to? Because instead of guessing, you just print it and look. Any value instantly with no special tools. Try it right now. Add console.log with a label, then run the file. The real value appears. So that's console.log debugging. Print the value and see the truth. Next up, finding answers.